Good morning, YouTube friends. It's Sunday morning here, and it's time to harvest again. I think I have uploaded a video last Friday, I guess, that we do some harvesting here. So my wife is around. It's weekend, and so I let her do whatever she can on the camera. What I can do here is to do this harvest. We have these heaps of fruits from this um, native variety mulberry. So we have lots of like red. But my wife is really good in making some smoothie. So we can include this one. Anyway, we have to mix it with coke. Some damage. We have this free fruit right here, YouTube friends, in our backyard. The birds already tried the top end, not the bottom end, and more up here. You might be asking why I am filming again at the service, because after here I'm going to trim down all these fallen, this going down leaves right here of our banana trees, both the dried ones and the green ones. So I need to make sure that we've got all the fruits that are ready to be harvested safe before we start trimming our banana trees. So let's start cleaning. As you can see around, it's really messy, but I'll make sure that after today you will see progress here. Yeah, only lots of damage mulberry fruits that are already on the ground, so we can't help them but just leave it there. And okay, I don't know if this one is still eatable. I'm sure it is. It's already overripe, so we have to throw it outside. So let's go back in here. I think we will find some good ones here. Uncle, you here? Go, go, go. No food. No food, no food. Okay. Yeah, I don't have feeds. You have to do the foraging. Find anything that you can find, and that will be your food for the day. So I think we have new sets of ripe fruits right here, but I think the caterpillar, the worm, is doing some advancement to that fruit. Okay, we have these aphids here. You have to remove that one, and then mommy will do the further cleaning of these fruits later on, before placing all this into that jar for a fruits smoothie. Am I correct? What? We have these heaps of fruits here. YouTube friends. You know what? If you have enjoyed the time of the planting of your fruits, of your vegetables, but to me, there's no more exciting than the time of the harvest. You can really appreciate the time of your labor, the hard work you have exerted, the effort you have spent to your garden, to your farm. So, there's no better exciting than doing the harvest, like what we are doing right now. Though I'm not giving so much effort to let this mulberry fruit produce this heaps of fruits right now. But I think the next season I will do that. It will be an absolute promise. I have to prepare to that. Okay, so we'll move in here. We have a few to harvest. And then some big ones here. Ah, the trio. I got you. I think we still have some at the back, but it's really grassy there. We cannot enter. My wife is afraid of the bushes, so we have to clear that one first before we can freely walk down. Not this time, some other day. Okay, so this is what we've got, YouTube friends, in our free harvest right here at the back of our house. But I can still spot a few right there. I don't know if it is in my reach. I think so. Oh. And then here, and then, wow, I'm too fat that even I cannot lift my feet off the ground. So this is what we've got here in our free harvest. We still have heaps of fruits to this native mulberry, YouTube friends. So thank you once again for watching our videos. I hope that you will continue to support us, helping this community to grow bigger in the near future. And once again, I'd like to tell you, I'd like to see you in the next. Bye.